In the waning years of the 19th century, when steam-powered locomotives and brass-capped telegraphs defined progress, a visionary engineer imagined a machine that could perform the tasks of a modern computer using nothing but gears, levers, and ink-wetted vellum. The Clockwork Data Engine is that speculative artifact, a massive, floor-standing contrivance that translates binary arithmetic into the whir of metal. Formally, the engine occupies a rectangular chassis of riveted copper plates, its exterior softened by ornamental filigree and pressure-tested glass windows that reveal a labyrinth of interlocking gear trains. The central column houses a towering stack of brass drums, each drum a memory register, its teeth stepping in sync with a master camshaft that acts as the clock pulse. A series of 64-tooth differential gears converts rotational motion into logical operations, while a network of punched card readers and a hand-cranked input lattice emulate modern keyboard and mouse interfaces. Functionally, the engine mirrors the architecture of a contemporary desktop. Its gear-based ALU, arithmetic logic unit, computes by advancing precise tooth ratios. Branching is handled by rotating selector rods that physically reroute power flow between sub-assemblies. Data storage is achieved through steel-etched drum arrays, each capable of holding a few kilobytes of information, a whimsical nod to early magnetic disks. An elaborate system of levers and cams controls I/O, translating rotary motion into visual output across a copper-coated cathode ray tube that glows amber when current passes through the associated gear train. Aesthetically, the Clockwork Data Engine marries the disciplined rigor of Victorian engineering blueprints with the romantic excess of steam-age ornamentation. Its surface is a study in contrast, matte copper juxtaposed with polished brass, rivets that echo the riveted skin of airships, and an exposed gear train that flickers like a mechanical heart. Light filters through the glass ports, casting moving shadows that suggest a living organism, while the gentle click-clack of rotating cogs provides an audible rhythm reminiscent of a typewriter in motion. In this imagined world, programmers are artisans, their code a cadence of cranked levers and precisely milled gears, proving that even the most modern of digital tasks can find a place in the steam-kissed hand of history.